In front of me is Realme 7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Google. Then select All Services, scroll down to click on Autofill with Google, and select Passwords. Now tap on Add Password and input all of those informations. At the top, select any website or tap on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then add your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!